Biggest challenge in business isn't looking at where you've been, it's knowing exactly where you're going before you get there. In 2026, we're moving past static reports and into the era of predictive business. I'm going to show you how Bitrix 24 uses AI to forecast your sales pipeline and project success with incredible accuracy, so you can stop guessing and start growing. Bitrix 24 AI analyzes your actual historical data and your current lead behavior to predict which deals are most likely to close and when. This sales managers actually allocate resources to those highest sale opportunities and possibilities sooner. The system also identifies possible bottlenecks in the sales funnel all before impacting your revenue targets. There's even an early warning system that actually prevents end-of-the-month surprises. And beyond sales, the AI actually evaluates project timelines, resource allocation, and even team velocity to forecast the likelihood of actually meeting those deadlines. This takes the stress away from project managers by being able to automatically identify these risks. It's really cool as well because it actually provides real-time adjustment as new data comes in, so those forecasts get updated automatically on the fly. This is super important because it always ensures that the roadmap is automatically grounded in reality. This transforms the unified workspace into a living, breathing, automatic unified tool. All right, so we're going to take a look at how Bitrix 24 actually works in real time. We're going to make sure we actually jump in and log in through our own account. You got HR automation, all the different bits and pieces. Okay, so we're actually logged into our dashboard here. We're in the CRM section right now. Everything is here. I know it might seem like a lot, but it's really great. It's open, it's transparent, everything is here. Deals, leads, inventory, your customers, everything is set up and everything can be automated to make sure we get maximum efficiency and productivity. We want to make sure that money keeps coming in, and we want to analyze things effectively and automatically as the month goes on. Let me show you a bit of what we're talking about right here. So for example, we're in the new lead section here. We can go in here and take a look. You can enter all their information like the name, the stage, the currency it's in, and drop that in on the relevant date on the actual calendar. We can also just head over to the deals section here and take a look. These are all the different deals we've got going on, as you can see. Here's a new one for mobile app development for 32K. We've got one here for 8K. There's a final invoice here at the end for our CRM integration at the enterprise level, Michael Carter, for $18,500. So just to give you an example, we can go in here and receive the payment. So all of the info behind this particular deal, you need to close on the money. You need all the data organized in one place that's transparent for people to see. You can have a meeting scheduled there to actually remind Michael, hey, Michael, you need to get that payment in, and everything's right here. You can basically have everything set up. The invoice, the name, the in progress section, it's all here. The end date as well. For example, we can just drop that in there too. And we can actually go and take a look at the sales section here. We've got sales channels, as you can see here, CRM forms, contact center. We've got sales management here, CRM payment, the sales center, invoices, estimates, AI speech, repeat sales, import from third-party CRM, and CRM solutions. We've got an analytics tab, which is really cool too. So deep analytics. This is all about continuously improving the business through this column dropdown here, as you can see, and everything's here, all the performance analytics and all that good stuff. We can go into the deal analytics section right now. Jump into the market section, real-time analytics, call analytics, for example, so we can actually see the sales funnel. We can see how much has been brought in from the leads. We can see the average lifespan there, the number of deals, and the dollar amounts, all right here on the graphs. Each individual graph shows everything for the last 30 days, and it's really cool. You can actually see who the manager was, the number of leads they had, and things like that. I also love the employee performance section. That's good. You've got the sales trends here, the comparison, sales intelligence, buy analytics, and buy analytics settings. Okay, so we can exit out of here and go back over to projects. As we can see here, we've got the remote team launch. This is just another example of what you can do. The different work group tasks. Okay, so what do we need to do? Email follow-ups, client follow-ups. We need to design a landing page. Who's responsible and for what time? What are the tasks? So this is really cool because you can really hold people accountable for what they're supposed to be doing in their roles. For example, if we click into this one, it's a client review meeting. The assignee is Sarah Johnson. We've got the deadline, the status, when it was created, and the actual task owner, as well as anything else you might need to attach to this. So we've got the more section here with different deadlines. And yeah, we can see like what's due next week, what's due over the next 2 weeks. It's really clear. Let us know in the comments section what you think. We can go into another section here. You can actually see it on the full calendar view here too, which is really helpful. Go over here to the Gantt section. Okay, so you've got different ways you can view it, which is really cool. So depending on what you prefer, depending on maybe what country you're from, you might have certain preferences for how you'd like to view this. As for the different products themselves, we've got everything. HR automation, co-pilot, collaboration, everything's here. Sales management, enablement, analytics, like we discussed before. The contact center, it's all here. So you can actually save up to 31% if you go for the annual package. Standard is $99, and you can do a little plan comparison here, which is also super helpful. All the apps are included with that flat pricing too. There are also different resources, which I think is really cool. Whether you want to learn a bit more about it, you can read about it. I highly suggest you do, because yeah, it's fantastic software, but there actually is quite a bit to learn to really master it. But that's a good thing. There are all the different industries as well, as we can see. Different goals, the tools, and depending on your business size too. You'll see what's more suitable for you, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a small business. Import and export section, marketing tasks and projects. So by doing it this way and centralizing all business data into one comprehensive system, Bittrex 24 really does ensure that these automated AI forecasts are actually based on a complete picture of where the company stands, and not just isolated spreadsheets. And having all your communications in one place really allows you to give the AI enough data it needs to create these automations and deliver the best possible outcome for your business. Managers really can utilize these predictive insights to, again, continue to improve their businesses instead of just always reacting to past failures. It really is an essential all-in-one operating system for those professional and advanced CEOs. And if you're a CEO who isn't using Bittrex 24 yet, then you're probably going to want to get on board. Stop relying on luck and start using data to predict your future. Click the link in the description to start your 15-day Bittrex 24 trial and see your 2026 forecast today. If you did enjoy today's video, folks, please take a moment to smash the like button. It really does help the channel out. Subscribe if you want to see more AI-driven content like this. Hit notifications so you don't miss those fresh videos when they do pop, and comment down below. Have you gotten started on the free trial yet? It's a banger. We'll see you in the next one.